Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps for directions while driving. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Let's say, for example, that I wanted to go to my past work right here. All right, and I'm currently in here. Now, what we're gonna do to make a direction is, for example, tap on the search function right here. I'm gonna tap on it, and maybe I will head on to work, which is right here. I'm gonna tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and select your start location. All right, click on start location and open up your location settings. All right, make sure that it is enabled. Then click or tap on your location. All right, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna tap on it and allow Maps to access this device's location while using the app. All right, as you can see, to be able to use the Google Maps for directions while driving, in here at the bottom, at the very bottom, you can just go ahead and hit on start. All right, and it says here, welcome to Google Maps navigation. Don't forget to pay attention to your surroundings and always obey the law. All right, simply hit on got it. And it says here, if you want to turn on notifications, go ahead and hit on allow if you want to get turn-by-turn directions, real-time traffic, and transit info even when Maps is in the background. Just hit on allow, and dismiss. All right, as you can see here, you are now ready to drive. Let's say, for example, that your car is in here right now. There will be an AI voice that will tell you to go right in about 100 meters. All right, that's basically it. As you can see, you'll be able to see your speed here as well, and you've got a ton of options here as well. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.